Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, I am going to show you how you can scan for malware on your plugin and theme zip file using a free tool. So here is the website for scanning the zip file. It's called Virus Total. I will provide the link in the description below. Here by default, the option tab file is selected. I'm going to choose the file by clicking on the below button. I have already downloaded the Elementor Pro from their official website. So for the test purpose, I'm going to use this file. Click open. It will check the hash of the file. If someone has already scanned the same file using this tool, it will show the result immediately. You can see there's someone already scanned the same file 5 hours before. For the test purpose, I'm going to reanalyze the same file, but if you're uploading a new file, it will scan immediately from the scratch rather than showing the results. If you're uploading a new file, this is how you will see the scanner will run rather than showing the results. It will check with the top rated security companies around the globe. You can able to view malware if found, as detected, if there is any malware on your zip file. Currently I'm using an official version of Elementor Pro zip file from their official website, so I'm sure this file don't have any malware on it. I'm just simply using this for demo purpose. Sometimes this tool also makes some false detection. Some plugin and theme developer might use some code which has some security flaws, so those kind of things also will be detected here. If you are downloading a theme or a plugin from not a well-known established developer, I would recommend you to use this tool before you upload your plugin or theme to your WordPress installation. So now the scan has been completed. As you can see, the scan result is generated 1 minute ago. The scan has detected no malware on the zip file. All the security companies have detected nothing on this file. It's because I have downloaded this Elementor file from the official website. So if you are uploading an unknown source file, it might show you some malware. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more useful information. Thanks for watching this video.